Introduce yourself, your name and the company. Yes, Jayant.
Hi sir, I am Jayan from TCS and I am thankful for your valuable input for RMP. Just let me give you my state at this moment. Though I am not 100% with the course at this moment, or there are some points which I have not understood, but I think when I start refreshing the course, maybe my thoughts will be more clear at that point of time. But whatever I have gained from this training was good enough for me to understand and go ahead with the RMP course. Thank you very much for that.
If you have to rate the training on the scale of 1 to 10, what will you rating, considering 10 being the best and 1 being the poorest?
At this moment, I will say for a range that is somewhere it is between 8 to 10.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes, Rohan, what about you? How do you feel about the training?